Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here with Bromero Cards. Thank you so much for being here and I really appreciate your viewership. Today, y'all, I am here. First of all, you're probably like, Ricky, where did you get that ugly shirt? And I'm like, what are you talking about? I got this shirt in Mexico for like super clearance and it's so ugly it's cute, so I had to get it. But anyway, I had to say it because I just love this shirt and people have been telling me, oh, it's a choice. Anyway, what we're here today for is we have a new release from Picket Fence Studios. You guys know I'm a design team member on their team. So I do have, I think, pretty much the full release here. So we're going to be showing that to you today. But before we get down to looking at everything that's been provided, I have a few things to ask of you. First, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and come along with this journey with me. Secondly, click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, share the love. If you know someone that may like this channel or this video, maybe you want to introduce them to Picket Fence Studios, send that link over to them. I would greatly appreciate it, and maybe that they would become a subscriber or start making cards. And lastly, once you get to the end of this video, if you would please give it a thumbs up to let the algorithms know that I'm a person and that I have feelings and that I need subscribers and need to be shown. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get down to the desk to show everything that's in this release. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the Triandrus Daffodils. I think I said that correctly. I'm not for sure. But super cute, super springy. Everything in this release is pretty much spring or Valentine's Day, you guys. So it's like Among Us already. So we have the big daffodils here. We also have a bunch of different sentiments. We have daffodils remind me of your inner strength. It's a good day to have a good day. Find the sunshine. Happy birthday. Some really great sentiments with this. So we have that. Up next, we have the A2 Fancy Flourish cover plate, which this looks super fancy. I can't wait to use this and see what I can make. There's a lot of swirly bits, a lot of pieces that could be cut out. It may be able to be do like some inlays. That would be like super cool too. So we have that. Up next, we have Pick a Carrot background stamp. A bunch of different carrots all going up and down. Looks super cute, great for a background, would be great for a couple things that are coming up after this, but I really adore this. It's super cute. Up next, we have Hello Peter Bunny. Oh my goodness, he is adorable. I love the little line art here. I love that he's like a little grass. And he's like running down a hill to get to the mailbox. The sentiments say, hello, my lovely friend. You make me happy. And you are my bestest friend in the whole world. And we love a pun. Whole, H-O-L-E. Hoppy, H-O-P-P-Y. Adorable. I love it. So cute. It's very like a storybook kind of illustration also. Up next, we have Surprise, It's Your Birthday. This is by Kelly Taylor Cards. And super cute little illustrations here. The balloons could be coming out of the box. We have a top to the box, it looks like. We have a bunch of sentiments. Happy Valentine's Day. You're my favorite galentine. Surprise, it's your day. Happy birthday. Some pretty great stuff. So cute. Up next, we have Sweet Candy Hearts. Fun fact, conversation hearts are disgusting. Don't at me down in the comments. They are disgusting. I hated them as a child. I hate them as an adult, but they look cute. So this background looks super cute. It's just a bunch of conversation hearts that have love, love you, be mine, hugs, kisses, sweet, all kinds of little words I can almost not see because I'm old. But this would be super cute as well, along with some stuff that's coming up. Up next, we have the Welcome Home Bun Bun die set. This looks super cute, you guys. The fact that it's a carrot that's up like above ground, adorable. This would be great if you wanted to use this as the background for this. You could totally do that. You know, I kind of imagine, no, I'll save my idea for my card that I make for this. But this is super cute. I love that it's shaped like a carrot and there's like a rabbit. It's adorable. Up next, we have Kisses for You word die. I love that Picket Fence actually puts what it says here so you can read it, because sometimes I'm kind of like, oh, do I need to put this in the mirror so that I can read it? But love that. I love that, how big the kisses is, and then just the sentiment here for you. Love it. Oh, up next, adorable. We have Friends Give the Best Hugs. Check. I am dying. The pigs. I'm dying. I will be making a card for this for my husband because he loves pigs. So I'll be definitely making a card for him. And I'll probably do a video on it so you guys will be able to see it. And we have like the little ducks here and the bunnies. And we have sentiments that say, hello, my sweet friend. I like spring in your step. Together is always better. Adorable. And there is coordinating dies that come with that. Up next, we have Animal Crackers So Much. More pigs. So cute. They're all on a couch. Like, I want a pet pig, you guys. My husband would die if we could have one, but here in Chicago, they're illegal. You can't have a pet pig here. But anyway, we have Happy Valentine's Day. Hello, sweetheart. Have a great day. We are your biggest fans. Hello, hey, hi there, and we love you so much. SOW. Love a pun. And it does have coordinating dies. Up next, we have Spring Chicks Are Back in Town. So cute. I love the little eggs. They're just adorable. Oh my God, the stages of the egg breaking, that is cute too. Really cute. There's sentiments that say, you are one good egg. Hello, baby. Spring has sprung. You crack me up. The chicks are back in town. You are my favorite peeps. And again, there's coordinating dies with that. Up next, we have the brick and mortar stencil. How much do we love like a brick stencil? I mean, very good. They are versatile. It can be used pretty much for any kind of card. They're pretty great, and I love the sizes of these. I think they are, yes, 6x8. These guys are 6x8, so that's a pretty good size. You can pretty much cover any card that you want to make with this. All right, up next is where people's favorite part is, where I open up a pack of paper and I show everyone what's in this pack because it's requested. We have the fabulously glossy A2 card fronts Cloud of Dreams. Super cute. They can be used with toner foils or as a card base. I will be using this as a card base probably. We have this design. Ooh, love that. I'll just stack them on top of each other. And then we have this design, very pretty. And then we have this design. Wow, they're all really pretty. I would say probably my favorite is the first one. Next we have Happy Easter. These are foil cards. These are toner cards. So for toner foil, we have like a little frame here. That's cute. We have Happy Easter. We have some dangling eggs here. That's cute. We have a big Happy Easter. We have some bunnies that say Happy Easter, like cross-stitch bunnies. That's cute. And then we have some eggs. Super cute. How many times did I say cute in this video? I don't even want to count it, but I'm sure it's a lot already. So sorry about that, you guys. Up next, we have Love Notes Fabulous Foiling Toner Card Fronts. All right, let's see what, ooh, I love this. This is gonna be cute. I might have to, cute. I just said it again. I might have to use this in a video. I love that so far. We have some cross stitch hearts. And then we have a heart with some swirly bits around it. And then we have some conversation hearts here. And these actually match the stamp set that I showed you guys. And then we have some full on hearts. And then we have like an ornament heart. So totally amazing. I think these are going to be great. Then we have the clouds of these colors. So pretty. And then these guys. Wow. Those are really pretty. I cannot wait until all of this stuff is in your hands so that you can have fun with it. Let me bring out my planner because I need to tell you guys something. I will be going live on December 20th. Let me bring up my camera here. On December 20th, I'll be going live. I believe I have it set for 7 p.m. Central. So be sure to keep an eye out on that. You can actually, if you go onto the live tab, you can actually see it's already listed. So you guys will be able to go in and hit notify me so that you know when it's out. I'll be doing a live using some of these newest products. So I hope that you'll join me there. Also, all the products down below will be linked. So go check out this store and check out all the new things. And then check out Picket Fence Studios over on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all the places. And then of course you can find me here at YouTube. You can find me at Facebook and Instagram by searching for Bromero Cards. So thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope that you'll go take a look at some of the items and see what you like and what you need to have. And then, yeah, tell me down in the comments what you like the most. So until next time, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You click that bell so that you know a new video has come out. You leave some comments down below. And then you also like this video, no, share this video to someone that you may think would enjoy it. So I will talk to you soon. You guys have a great day and I'll be back. Bye.